Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create a contact list in the Outlook for Windows email client. So keep in mind this is not the full Outlook 365 client. This is the Outlook for Windows client that comes with Windows, that replaces Windows Mail, but the process is pretty similar even for the full Outlook client. Okay, so to begin we're going to go to our contacts, or people as Outlook calls it. So if you have more than one account, you could pick an account to add this contact group to, or contact list, depending what you want to call it. Okay, so we're going to go to new contact, but instead of new contact, we're going to do new contact list. And so we could give it a name. Let's say this is our HR staff. And then you could either type in the names of the email addresses, or if you click in it, it'll start bringing it up here. So we got Cindy. And if we start typing in B, it'll bring up people with that name. And if you want to type in something manually, and you can just click on add. So if it's not in your contacts, you can still add a person to this list just by typing it in manually. Then you can put a description if you want. And then click on create. All right, so now it shows in your list here. So here's the contacts list section. So when you go to your contacts, you'll have all your contacts. You'll have your favorites if you have any. Then you'll have your contact lists where you can see them here. And then you can click on them, see who's in the list. You could edit it if you want, add more people, change the description, change the name, and so on. Okay, so now if we want to use it, we go back to our email here. Let's make sure that we're in the account that this contact list belongs to, if you have more than one. So we'll do a new message here. So now you could click on to, and you could see it in your list here of your contacts. Or you could actually just start typing it. HR staff, bring it up. And then if you click on the plus, you'll see the people in that list. And if we just send out an email here, it'll send it to all the people in this list. All right, so now we'll go over to the email account of one of the people in that list. Okay, so we have the hi message here. If we open it up, we could see all the people that it was sent to. But it's not going to mention HR contact list when they see the email, because that's only for you in your contacts, just for the name here. All right, so once again, just click on new contact list, give it a name, add your email addresses either from your contacts. You could just click on it and pick them from here, or start typing the names, or type in one manually, give it a description, and then click on create, and then you could start using it to send out emails. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.